Hey my friends, today we're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me from Photolux. This is a flashlight, but not just any flashlight, guys. This is a studio light that has a snoot, it has gobos, it has 4 different lights that it can generate, and it's going to be ideal for background lights, accent lights, hair lights, and especially for product lights. So if you're looking for a creative way to take your videography and photography to the next level, this could be a great tool to have in your toolbox. Let's take this over to the desk, take a look at exactly what comes in the box, and see if it is all the hype, if it is something that we can really incorporate into our everyday workflow. Time will tell. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. So you actually get a number of these different gobos. They come in different styles, different effects. Each one of these is going to create a different effect on your backdrop. Now, I find that using a light like this is only a 10-watt light, but don't let that be a detractor. It's a very powerful light for different type of applications. And, you know, using a light like this can really take your productions to the next level. You get quite a few of these gobos that come with the kit. You also get this collapsible snoot, and this is going to be used to actually house the gobos. So you can actually take them, and these are just like a thin plastic material, and they just fit inside like this, really easy. And then you can kind of adjust them as you need to. So this will be a perfect one if you're going to be doing like a window shade effect or something like that. But like I said, you got a ton of these and they're very easy to apply. You also receive in the box this little travel case with some branding on it, to carry everything. But let's get to the main event. The main event is this light that you guys see here. Now, this is an all aluminum alloy. You have 3 connection points for mounting. You have a 1/4-20 on this side, you have an additional 1/4-20 on this side, and you have an additional 1/4-20 down here at the base, so that you could mount this from a top-down view, side view, different angles. You have your power button, we'll come back to that. You also have a USB-C here for charging it. The head is telescoping, and you can use that to zoom in or to focus the light beam in. And as I said before, you have 4 different light patterns. Now, one of the things that I've seen a lot in other videos, people seem to have a problem turning this light on. So I'm going to show you guys the simple way to turn this light on. All you have to do is press the button, and the little green light will come on. And then at that point, all you have to do is rotate this dial really fast, and then the light will turn on. Now, once it's on, you do have control of the output. So when it gets to the lowest point, you'll see it'll flash 2 times. And then when it gets to the highest point, it will also flash 2 times, letting you know that you've reached the maximum range between those 2. But then again, as I said before, you can dim the light really easily. You can also zoom and narrow the beam however you need to. So that's what I'm going to show you guys, some cool applications of using this light. Again, this is only a 10-watt light, but you're going to be really impressed on how well this light does what it's supposed to do. So let's set up a scenario where we would use this light, and I'll show you guys how I would personally use this. Because it does have those 1/4-20s, I would most likely mount this so that the light would display on a back wall. And again, as I mentioned before, color wise, you can switch the colors between those 4 colors. So you have this, kind of like a daylight white, you have a red, you have this amber, and then you have this blue light. So if you're going with a cool effect or something like that, you have all 3 of those. Yes, I wish this was a RGB light where we'd have a larger range with the light, but honestly, I could see a lot of applications that you could utilize this. And of course, you could always add your own gels to this. You could cut your own gels if you're looking for a specific color that you need for the background. So I'm just giving you guys a little tip as a photographer, because a lot of times we're using just a standard light that only produces one color light, and we would use gels in order to create the lighting color effects that we want to use in a setup. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up and I'll show you guys what we can do with it. So what I have here is a, little mic stand. It has a 1/4 Now it has some height adjustment, but what's nice about this is that it does have a flat base. That means you could set this down on something and it's pretty much going to stay in place. So what we're going to do here is we're going to attach our light to this so that we can have the effect on this back wall behind this, simulated product that we're going to be using here as well. And I'm also going to bring a little bit of fog into the scene so you guys can see kind of how I utilize that as well. So let's go ahead and get everything set up. All right, guys, as you can see, we're using a little window effect here in the background. Now, like I said, what's cool about this is that you can adjust this however you need to. You can also adjust the intensity. You can rotate this if needed to give it a different angle effect. And you can add a little bit of haze in the background. So for instance, if we wanted to bring some fog into this guy, we could just turn on a fog machine. There's so many different ways that you could utilize a light for these different types of effects. So I'm gonna just add a little fog in the background and show you guys what I mean that will really make this stand out. So with just a little haze in the background, a little bit of light, you could really take your product videos, your product photography to a completely different level. The lighting effects, so many to choose from. You have all of these different gobos, to experiment with. And I'm telling you guys, you will find something. There's no way that you would not find something that you would like. And they are so easy to change these out anytime that you want to. I am a huge fan of the potential of this setup. So I'm going to pull the camera back so that you guys can see the actual setup and how I'm actually utilizing this. All right, so you guys probably get a better look now of how the scene is set up. So we have our fog machine right here. We have the light on this little stand, and it's generating onto a black backdrop back there. I have the product kind of elevated onto a little platform. So, it's a very simple setup, but there's so much that you could do with something like this to really take your product completely to the next level. You could lay down some dry ice effects and really, dress up whatever it is that you're working with. So set your scenes. A product like this, I think it's going to be excellent for a lot of my content creators out there. So use your imagination, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to be amazed at all of the different things that you'll be able to create using one of these lights. I'd like to thank the brand for sending this out for me to test. You guys will probably see a lot of these effects in my upcoming product videos, tutorials, talking head segments, because this also makes a great background light. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.